Welcome to Kids Notely! Red, red, apple red, shiny, round and bright ahead. Blue, blue, sky so blue, happy color just for you. Green, green, leafy green, fresh and cool, so calm and clean. Yellow, yellow, star so bright, twinkle softly in the light. Pink, pink, candy sweet, pretty color, fun and neat.